Hello everyone. So now I'm going to say how to calculate recurring monthly bill using recursion in C. So first, the algorithm works like this. A function calculate month is defined to accept an integer month number and return a float value because it can be in decimals. And if the input month is 1, the function returns a base bill amount of 100.0. Since we have given float, so it comes in decimals. For any other month, the function recursively calls itself with 1, which is 1, and adds the result to the current month's charge to get the cumulative total. The current month's charge is calculated as 100.0 plus month minus 1 into 50. The main function prompts the user for a month number calls the calculate function and prints the final total bill up to the specified month. Thank you.